MPO polishing machine is specially designed for MPO or MTP or mount ferrule polishing. Now let's take a look at the main interface. First, choose the language. You can switch languages. Click the Model Settings button, setting the connector name. Click to save. Click the Automatic Page button, enter the Program Interface Settings program, click the Change Model button, select the preset model. Check the Parameter Change button and set the grinding time or pressure or speed. Note: this is grinding sheet use times settings. This represents the alarm function after the grinding disc has finished grinding. If we set it to 4 times, the machine will alarm after 4 grinding cycles. We set this value to 999 by default. If you don't need this alarm function, you only need to set the maximum value. This is Grinding Compensation button. The grinding compensation setting is configured so that the grinding discs wear down during the grinding process. Therefore, a 1-second compensation period can be added after 10 grinding cycles. Cylinder slowdown time setting. This is the buffer time of the cylinder applying pressure, that is, the buffer time of the clamp. Click the Save button, program to save settings. Click the Next Page button, set up the procedures required for the second, third, and fourth processes. Note: all settings need to be saved. After completing the settings, click the Return button, click Main Page, and then click the Automatic Page button. Procedure Quantity select, that is, the grinding process will proceed from the first grinding step to the completion of the selected step, depending on which step you choose. For example, if I choose the 4th step, the grinder will continuously cycle through the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th steps in sequence. Put the ferrule to the jig, and press down the metal clip to fasten the ferrule and check the back of the jig to see whether all the ferrules are coming out of the jig surface.